Sometimes, keeping up with social media content can feel overwhelming, especially when you need to constantly design posts, write captions, and schedule updates. That's where AI-powered tools like Predis AI are designed to help. Predis AI is a social media automation platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate posts, captions, and creative designs quickly, helping marketers, businesses, and creators manage their content more efficiently. To begin with, Predis AI mainly focuses on AI-based content creation. Users can enter a simple prompt, product description, or idea, and the platform automatically generates a full social media post. This usually includes a caption, hashtags, and a visual design. The tool supports different formats like image posts, carousel posts, and promotional creatives, which makes it suitable for platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Because of this automation, creators can generate multiple post ideas within minutes instead of spending hours designing content manually. Another important feature of the platform is its social media scheduling system. Predis allows users to connect their social media accounts and schedule posts directly from its dashboard. This means users can generate content and plan their posting schedule all in one place. The platform also offers competitor analysis tools, allowing users to track engagement and see which types of posts perform well in their niche. The interface is also designed to be beginner-friendly. Even users with little design experience can create professional-looking posts because the platform handles most of the creative work automatically. This is one of the main reasons why Predis AI is often used by small businesses, content creators, and digital marketing teams. When it comes to pricing, Predis AI offers several subscription plans depending on usage. Typically, there is a starter plan for individuals and small creators, which includes a limited number of AI credits and social media accounts. Higher-tier plans provide more credits, support for multiple brands, and additional automation features. Overall, Predis AI aims to simplify social media management by combining content generation, design, and scheduling into one tool. If you want a platform that can quickly generate posts and help manage your social media workflow, Predis AI can be a helpful option. However, if you prefer complete manual control over every caption and design, you may still want to edit the AI-generated content, and that balance between automation and creativity ultimately defines the Predis AI experience. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.